All right, y'all, stumbling from the last demo. Look at that. I guess getting demos is gonna be my way of relaxing. As we just go down, the XPL up in this probably is like so stupid. Killing it, y'all. Killing it. Trying to stay a little bit near. You always see. Back to the table. Shirts. Easy on me. Y'all remember Ace Audio? Speakers and stuff. What size? What size is that? 21. 21? Yep. Man. 21 inches of destruction, y'all. Can I get in the whole frame? I'm telling y'all, man. It's all crazy out here. It ain't, and we ain't even really seen nothing yet. We ain't been nowhere. We ain't seen nothing. Spade ones. Yeah. I'm in. If you, thank you.
Get you and get a demo if you want.
Yeah, I can take an early morning sit down. I'm tired from walking, man. I need to sit down. Look at that. 12-inch. That's what I'm talking, y'all. Look at. Oh, wait a minute. You got the headway, y'all.
Headway.
We got a headway, brother.
Yep. Then I got two TDM 4000s and 4 Jester 12s.
So y'all see this? He about to take my. We back in. I was like considering getting one of these. No, actually it was that one. I was actually thinking about getting the HHR.
I sold the Challenger during COVID.
See that? That Slammology 2003.
Life can flip in seconds. One morning, waking up fractions. And the next I can't look into you. bitch. 100K, I spent that on my wrist. Or then he go in there foreign again, killing the scene, bring the car in the end. Murder she wrote, swallow a choke, hit the ring, go on the call. You
flex. That sound good, man. Y'all got some good sounding music, man. Woo! Some 412s? Man. That's destruction.
Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Best so long for the nigga so cheap. Be a flex on
Bridge power. Very nicely done, Box. See that top? Double layer. Here we go.
Don't let the days go by. Glycerine.
About to get it now. Can work even with 6 for this.